Welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be guiding you how to log into Bloomingdale employee portal. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer, and on the search URL type in Bloomingdale employee login. Press enter. Then you will be taken to this interface with bunch of search results. From there, head over to the second link that says My Insight. So first of all, enter your employee ID or network ID or email of your Bloomingdale account. Make sure you enter your valid ID, and under that enter your correct password. If you want to save in your username on this device for the next time you try to log in, click on this checkbox that says Remember my username. In case you forgot or you want to change your password, click on this link provided to you that says Forgot, Unlock or Change Password, and that will help you out to recover your password. Now, if you are done typing in your employee ID and password associated with your Bloomingdale employee account, then click on Login button, and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your employee account. And that's how you can log into Bloomingdale employee account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.